Assalamu alaikum. Today I come to QHT clinic. चलते हो में रुक जाना हो में. After make khun test, now I go around and this river named Sheila. It's, mashallah, it's very good river and very big. Very good staff, very nice jaga.
الحين غايته جو تو.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmad Ali. I am from Dubai. I come here to do hair transplant. Actually, I have a problem for my hair, lost, and I use many medicine, but until now my hair loose. في الحقيقة أنا جاي هنا علشان أسوي الزراعة الشعر. دورت وايد أماكن فحصلت هنا على اليوتيوب، بحثت وايد أماكن، حصلت اليوتيوب. ما شاء الله نتائجهم جدا جميلة، وإن شاء الله بزرعتهم إن شاء الله. إن شاء الله I will do hair transplant in QHT because in my opinion this best hair clinic in the world. My problem is genetic. My father also same problem. Doctor suggested me to 2800 graft. Actually, I am very excited and I don't have any problem for surgery. Hope for the best.
Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get update on every video.
I talking about my surgery experience in the QHT clinic. I don't feel any pain and I feel very comfortable. Also staff, very good staff. Doctors, like a brother, I feel like brother. And advice to you, come here to QH clinic because best clinic in the world. بخصوص العملية والوقت صراحة الوقت كان جدا يعني قصير، ما حسيت فيه أبد. يعني أول يوم بتوصل هنا مجرد اللهم يفحصونك ويشيكون عليك، وثاني يوم تبدأ العملية، والعملية كانت ما استغرقت أكثر عن ساعة ممكن أو أقل عن ساعة. يعني صراحة أنا أول مرة أشوف عيادة يعني بهالسرعة صراحة. Good job.
Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get update on every video.